Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is automatic speech recognition. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, we also call this automatic speech recognition as speech recognition. Automatic speech recognition is a technology that will process our human speech and understand it. And by using this automatic speech recognition technology, computer will convert human speech into written text. We use ASR technology in voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and in transcription systems. Example, Google voice typing. Whenever we speak, automatically Google will convert it into text. And also we use ASR technology in customer service applications that are nothing but call centers. So voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, they will listen our voice and perform tasks. And transcription systems, which will convert our speech into written text, and also customer service applications, which will use voice systems in calls in order to help users. For example, whenever we call customer care, we will get some computer generated voice, like it will say various options like click 1, click 2, etc. All this will work based on automatic speech recognition technology. Next, I will explain various steps that ASR will use in order to convert our speech into text. Guys, in exam you may get question like, what is speech to text processing? You can add the same answer. I will explain various steps. The first one is audio input. Guys, whenever we speak, ASR system will capture our speech using microphone. And second step is pre-processing. Guys, in pre-processing stage, our audio is cleaned by removing background noise and our volume is automatically adjusted so that our speech becomes clear. And third step is feature extraction. Guys, in this step, computer will use MFCC technique, where MFCC stands for male frequency capture coefficient. By using this technique, important sound patterns are captured and unnecessary details are removed. That is nothing but only important speech is selected by removing unnecessary details. For example, whenever I speak, in background there is fan sound. That fan sound is removed and only my speech is selected. At first, MFCC will convert our speech into numbers, that is in numerical form, and based on these numbers, important sound is selected by removing unnecessary details. So MFCC stands for male frequency capture coefficient. And fourth one is acoustic modeling. Guys, by using acoustic modeling, computer will identify phonemes from our speech. Phonemes are nothing but small part of our speech. For example, whenever I speak bat, in bat, B is one phoneme, A is one phoneme, and T is one phoneme. In our word, we call each part as phoneme. And based on these phonemes, computer will recognize what we spoke. And fifth step is language modeling. Guys, in this step, whatever we spoke, system will check meaning of that sentence. For example, whenever I say I eat rice, it is correct. But whenever I say I eat laptop, this context is wrong. In this step, system will check whether grammar is correct or not and whether context is correct or not. If this is wrong context. And step 6 is decoding. Guys, whenever we speak any word, system will compare that word with all combinations and then system will select a correct and meaningful word and give us final output. In decoding stage, system will make final decision about what you said. For example, I will speak, I ate ice cream. System will check all possible combinations like ice cream, both are different. So in our context, this is correct. So system will give output, ice cream. And last stage is post-processing. In this step, system will add punctuations if required. For example, whenever I speak hello, how are you? Automatically system will generate text like hello, comma, how are you, question mark. So all these are various steps that automatic speech recognition system will use in order to convert our speech into text. Guys, you can draw this diagram in exam. Whenever we speak, our input is captured by using microphone, and step 2 is pre-processing. That is nothing but removing noise in our speech. And step 3 is feature extraction. In feature extraction, we will use MFCC, where only important speech is selected by removing unnecessary information. Example, fan sound is removed from our speech. After feature extraction, next step is modeling. In this, we'll use two types of models. One is acoustic model and next one is language model. In acoustic model, by using acoustic model, phonemes are selected that are nothing but small parts in our speech. For example, whenever I speak bat, B-A-T, we call these three as phonemes. And whereas by using language model, grammar and as well as context checking is done. For example, whenever I speak I eat rice, it is correct. But whenever I speak I eat laptop, it is wrong. After modeling, next step is decoding. In decoding step, among so many possible words, correct word is selected. For example, whenever I say I eat ice cream is selected instead of ice cream. And at last, computer will generate output. Guys, we use automatic speech recognition in various technologies like machine learning, deep learning and signal processing. Machine learning and deep learning models are trained by giving large amount of speech data with the help of ASR system. We also use ASR in voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and also in speech recognition systems and also in training systems. By giving different kinds of voices, we'll train speech recognition systems. And these speech recognition systems are used in security. Whenever we give our voice, our system will automatically unlock. And also we use ASR in signal processing. In order to understand and improve speech, we use automatic speech recognition system in microphones, in recording systems, and also in call center and voice recording applications. For example, by using ASR, we can remove background noise like fan sound, traffic sound, etc. And also by using ASR, we can make our speech clear so computer can process it easily.